Shulini TV. News from the campus.
Hello and welcome to the landmark and uninterrupted 50th edition of the weekly Shulini TV Bulletin. It had been a pleasure and delight to bring to you the edition every Friday with focus on the news from the campus, by the students, of the students and for the students. On this special occasion, we have sought to bring in some design changes. We hope you like these. We would love to hear from you and welcome suggestions. We can be contacted through WhatsApp number 9880 or through email address newsletter@shuliniuniversity.com. For now, we are back with the news. I am Ankita and here are the headlines for this week. University ranked second in the country for the quality of research. PRCI webinar, media's role in the claiming the nation amidst crisis. School of Yoga organizes webinar on yoga therapy. Workshop on misinformation, fake news, consequences and remedies. And now the news in details. Shulini University has been ranked high in H-index. Ronika has the details.
Shulini University has been ranked second in the country for quality of research among the universities set up after 2009 with its H-index reaching 72. This is as per latest Scopus indications considered the most reputable abstract and citation databases for academic literature. Shulini University's 72 H-index implies that its 72 research papers have been cited 72 times. Only IIT Indore is ahead of Shulini University in the country among the institutions established after 2009. Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla said that the achievement reflects the quality of research and the hard work and dedication put in by the scholars at the university.
Wonderful news indeed. The university has been constantly getting high rank for its research. Recently, Total Scopus indexed research papers from Shulini University crossed 1500. Total citations are above 18,000. This makes us India's leader in the academic research. In Schemago Global Rankings, Shulini is at number 16 in research, while in QS we are just behind IISc Bangalore in the country. Moving ahead, a webinar was conducted on media's role in calming the nation amidst crisis by YCC Club. Priyasi, can you tell us about it?
Young Communicators Club of Shulini University, in association with Chandigarh Chapter of Public Relations Council of India, organized a webinar on media's role in calming the nation amidst crisis. Experts emphasized on the importance of media in calming down the nerves of the nation during such crisis situations. The session was addressed by Chandigarh Chapter Chairman and motivational speaker Mr. Vivek Khatri and former resident editor of Indian Express and columnist Mr. Vipin Papi. YCC Shulini Chair Purvi Bhushan presented the youth perspective. Members of the council from all over the country attended the webinar.
That was surely an informative session, not for the journalism students but others who joined it too. Now we have Rishabh to present us with the details about the webinar on yoga therapy and overview.
School of Yoga organized a webinar on yoga therapy and overview. Chancellor Professor P.K. Khosla and the guest speaker Dr. Annapurna K. Professor, who is the head of the department at Division of Yoga, Manipal University, Karnataka, shared their experiences on yoga therapy. Dr. Annapurna highlighted the significance of yoga during crises like the COVID pandemic to build a strong physical, mental and spiritual health. The webinar was hosted by Dr. Subodh Saurabh, head of the Department School of Yoga, in which more than 100 participants were present in the webinar.
That was quite enlightening webinar. Moving on, we have Saket telling us about the workshop organized by the Department of Journalism and Mass Communication on misinformation, fake news, consequences and remedy.
In order to create awareness among students, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication organized a one-day workshop on misinformation, fake news, consequences and remedies. The speaker of the session was Mr. Umesh Arya, Dean and Chairman, Faculty of Media Studies, Guru Jameshwar University, Hisar. Professor Arya underlined the need to stay alert from fake news and misinformation. He also said that we all should cross-check all the forwarded news from social media and other mass media platforms. The moderator for the session was Ms. Ranjana Thakur, Assistant Professor, Department of Journalism and Mass Communication.
Thanks, Saket. It must have been very informative in this digital era. Like many other events, a virtual dance competition was organized by the university. Here is Rohit giving details about the event.
Saksham Dance Club at Shulni University organized a virtual dance competition, Idol Thirkan, to celebrate International Dance Day. The first prize in solo dance was won by Simran Kashyap, a student of BSc Biotechnology, and second prize was given to Priyal Sharma, MSc Food Tech student. Third prize was won by Asta Jaswal, BTech Food Tech. In the duet round, Pooja and Diksha Sharma won the first prize, while the second went to Shubhangi and Sarika. The event was judged by Mrs. Poonam Nanda, Student Dean Welfare, and Assistant Professor Dr. Nitika and Assistant Professor Prachi Kapil.
Wow, that was wonderful. It was an absolute pleasure to bring you the 50th edition. Watch out for our editions coming out every Friday. Till then, take care and remain safe.